There she is, guys. McCulloch 146. It's got a different bar on it. The longer bar has got a skip tooth on it right now. It's this thing's a beast, guys. 80 cc's, just a lot of torque. Obviously, it's really heavy. It's a really nice saw. I'm selling it with the original bar and chain. If you want this setup, I can give it to you extra, but I really want to keep this setup, so for myself. But yeah, she's in really good shape. I'll fire it right now for you. This one's got the primer on it. It's really nice. Oiler, primer, on off. She's cold right now, so I'll see how many pulls it takes. Let's do it. She's a really nice saw. Oiler. Oil there, fuel there. All original, guys. I was thinking maybe keeping up on the shelf. It's a really nice saw. It's really loud, but it's not as loud as the Remington I got here. Some of them come with a nice stack muffler, a single stack. This one's got a full muffler on it, so it's a little bit quieter probably than normal. But it's a real beast, guys. Very heavy, yeah. But it's chain, pretty sharp, and I mean it eats through the wood. Manual oiler, so you gotta be careful. Make sure you get the oil on it. But yeah, there you go. Have a good day, guys.